I can say is that it has been a minor technicality. It was nothing more than just a minor procedural lapse. I think that I don't understand why it's been blown out of proportion into so much, because it is not as serious as it sounds, and it's not as serious as it's been made out to be. It's just been a minor procedural lapse. This is a procedural lapse regarding declaration. There's been a minor discrepancy in declaration, and that is it. I mean, the customs officials have been very kind about it. They've been very cooperative. The only problem with something like this is that once it starts, there is a certain government procedure which needs to be followed, and that procedure takes time. No, there was no deliberation involved. I mean, if there was any deliberation involved, I don't think the customs would have been so kind. They've been very helpful. They have been cooperative. They've treated me very nicely, and everything has been conducted with the utmost dignity and respect. So all these statements that are coming about intentional and all of that, it's not true. Every single piece has the necessary paperwork, and extra paperwork has come from the side of Anmol Jewellers as well, you know, corroborating the paperwork that I had. They found it not adequate. We have sent them more papers, but what has happened is, once the paperwork from the official side have started, then you need sort of every single paperwork which could, possibly would be needed available to you. As far as I know, I've been completely cleared. The investigation, yes, is on, but then, of course, they have to do their paperwork. They have to cover the case from every angle. It's not just about this. My statement has been taken, it's been recorded. देखिए, मुझे ये लगता है, अगर मेरा offense इतना बड़ा था, तो मुझे custom officers बंद करते हैं. The very fact that I'm standing in front of you, that yesterday I had left the airport, just proves the fact that the offense is minor. Because if it had been major, customs official would not leave me. They don't have a soft corner for me. हमेशा हम टारगेट क्यों रहते हैं? आप ये मुझे नहीं पूछ सकते हैं, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं जो हमें टारगेट करते हैं. अगर आप सोचते हो कि हम टारगेटेड है, बट आई जस्ट थिंक कि अगर हम कुछ छोटी गलती करें या छोटी नादानी हुए, तो वो सब देखते हैं. सबकी नजर उस पे होती है, which otherwise would not get so much attention.